I'm installing this VIOFO A119 Mini 2 in my 2020 Lexus ES 350. I'm using this hardwire kit that you plug directly into the mirror power source. It's quite simple actually. There are two pieces of trim that you need to take off first. This big piece that sits here, it just slides down. And then this other piece that sits inside of that plastic piece. And you just pull that top piece up. Installing this is pretty easy. You first unplug the original mirror dimmer, which is located here. Now I already have the hardwire plugged in here, and then the original mirror power goes into this piece, and then you have this USB that you plug the actual camera into. So you just plug this piece into where the original power source for the mirror is in the car. Then you plug the mirror power source in here, and this is where the dash cam connects to via USB. Now this kit already includes the short cable that you need for a cleaner install. It does have a USB-C to USB-A, and also a micro USB and a mini USB to USB-A. And this is what the finished product looks like. Nicely tucked away. I could probably do a little bit better on the cable management, but it'll do for now.